Okay students, class 12th mathematics, this is the question from three-dimensional geometry. Three-dimensional geometry and line in space. Okay, means this question belongs to the topic line. Okay, I am reading the question and then we will discuss and will solve the questions. Okay, so question is prove that lines x equals to ay plus b, z equal to cy plus d. This is the first equation of the first line. Second equation is x equals to a dash y plus b dash, z equal to c dash y plus d dash. This is second line. Okay, these two lines are perpendicular if a dash plus cc dash plus 1 equals to 0. Means we have been given two lines and condition is that lines are perpendicular. Lines are perpendicular if a dash plus cc dash plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so we will find the condition of perpendicularity of two given lines, a dash plus cc dash plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so firstly we will convert the given equation in standard form. Okay, so given equation is x equals to ay plus b, and this can be written down as x minus b is equals to ay, or x minus b upon a equals to y upon 1. Line is cy plus d, so z minus b is equals to cy, and z minus d upon c is equals to y upon 1. So standard form of the first line is x minus b upon a is equals to y upon 1 equals to z minus d upon c. This is the first line. Okay. Similarly, the second equation of the second line is x is minus b dash upon a dash equals to y upon 1 equals to z minus d dash upon c dash. Okay, so direction ratio of line 1 are a, 1 and c. Direction ratio of line L2 are a dash, 1 and c dash. Okay, so direction ratio of first line are a1 and c. Direction ratio of line second are a dash, 1 and c dash. Okay, now these two lines are perpendicular. Given that lines are perpendicular, this implies that a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equals to 0. Means a into a dash plus b into b 1 into 1 plus c into c dash cc dash is equals to 0. Okay, after solving this, simplifying this, we will have cc dash is equals to 0. This is the condition that the given two lines are perpendicular lines. Okay students, this is the next question. I am reading the question. So that the given lines are intersecting lines. Given these two lines are intersecting lines, and hence find the point of intersection. Okay, these all questions are important questions and having some concepts. Okay, so we have to show equation number first, equation number second. First line, second line. These two lines are intersecting lines. Intersecting line means they are intersecting somewhere in space. L1 and L2. These are two lines. They are lying in third dimensional, that is in space, and they are intersecting somewhere. Intersecting somewhere means they are having the same point, or they are having the common point. Common point, it means one point is common in both the lines. Okay, one point is common in both the line. R vector is the general point on first line. line and r vector is the general point on second line. Okay, let r vector be the common point. Okay, so let r vector be the common point. Okay, when r vector is common point, it means r vector equals to r vector. So first line and second line, both line will be equal, both line will be same. So 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 4k cap plus lambda into I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap, and this is equals to second line. Second line means equation number second, that is 5i cap minus 2j cap plus mu into 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 6k cap. Okay, so solving both the side for I cap, j cap and k cap. Okay, so 3 plus lambda I cap plus 2 plus 2 lambda j cap plus minus 4 plus 2 lambda k cap, and this is equals to 5 plus 3 mu I cap plus minus 2 plus 2 mu j cap plus 6 mu k cap. Okay, now we have to compare the component of I cap, j cap and k cap. Okay, so comparing the component, 3 plus lambda is equals to 5 plus 3 mu, and lambda minus 3 mu is equals to 2, equation number first. Comparing component of j cap, 2 plus 2 lambda is equals to minus 2 plus 2 mu. So 2 lambda minus 2 mu is equals to minus 4, equation number second. Comparing kth component, minus 4 plus 2 lambda is equals to 6 lambda, 2 lambda minus 6 lambda is equals to 4, 2 lambda minus 6 mu minus 6 mu is equals to 4, or lambda minus 3 mu is equals to 2. This is lambda minus mu is equals to minus 2, and this is lambda minus 3 mu equals to 3 mu equals to 2, equation number first. Solving second and third. Solving second and third, we are having solving second and third. Solving second and third, lambda will cancel lambda, or lambda equals to mu minus 2. Mu minus 2 minus 3 mu is equals to 2. So this is mu minus 2 means minus 2 mu is equals to 4. So mu is equals to minus 2. Mu equals to minus 2, and putting mu equals to minus 2 in equation second, we are having minus 2, that is lambda is equals to minus 4. So lambda equals to minus 4 and mu is equals to minus 2. Solving second and third. Putting these values in equation number first. Putting these values of lambda and mu in equation number first. Putting lambda equals to minus 4 and mu equals to minus 2 in equation first. In equation first, minus 4 minus 3 into minus 2 is equals to 2. So minus 4 plus 6 equals to 2 means 2 equals to 2. Implies that all three equations, first, second and third are consistent. Consistent implies that lines are intersecting lines. Okay, so lines are intersecting, as all the three equations All three equation means first, second and third. First, second and third are consistent. Okay. So lines are intersecting. Now we have to find the point of intersection. So putting lambda equals to -4 or mu equals to -2 either in the given equation, first equation or second equation. So from first equation, from given equations, r vector equals to this is the first equation. Okay, r vector equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 4k cap plus lambda into this. Now putting lambda equals to -4 in this equation, we will have the point of intersection. So point of intersection, r vector equals to 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 4k cap minus 4 into I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. So r vector is equals to 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 4j cap minus 4i cap minus 8j cap minus 8k cap. So solving this, r vector equals to 3i minus 4i minus I cap plus 2j minus 8j minus 6j cap and minus 4k minus 8k minus 12k cap. So point is -1, -6 and -12. This is the point of intersection. Hence point of intersection is -1, -6 and -12. Okay. Okay students, this is the next question. Find the point on this line. At a distance of 5 units from the point 1, 3, 3. Okay, means we have to find the point on line which is at a distance of 5 units from the given point, that is 1, 3, 3. Okay, so it's very easy to find the point on the line. The given line is x plus 2 upon 3 is equals to y plus 1 upon 2 equals to z minus 3 upon 2 equals to lambda. So x is equals to 3 lambda minus 2, y is equals to 2 lambda minus 1, z is equals to 2 lambda plus 3. So any point on the given line is 3 lambda minus 2, 2 lambda minus 1 and 2 lambda plus 3. This is the point on the given line. Okay, now it is given that this point is at a distance of 5 units from the given point this. Okay, so this point is Q and given point is P. So given that PQ is equals to 5. Distance between this point and this point is equals to 5. So using the distance formula, 3 lambda minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus 2 lambda minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus 2 lambda plus 3 minus 3 whole square is equals to 5. Okay, so after removing the sign of square root, 3 lambda minus 3 whole square plus 2 lambda minus 4 whole square plus 2 lambda square is equals to 25. So 3 lambda minus 3 square, 9 lambda square plus 9 minus 18 lambda plus 2 lambda square, 4 lambda square plus 16 minus 2 4 ja 8 2 ja 16 lambda plus 4 lambda square equals to 25. So 9 lambda square, 4 lambda square, 13 lambda square plus 4 lambda square, 17 lambda square minus 18 lambda minus 34 lambda plus 16 plus 9 25 equals to 0. Equals to 0. So 17 lambda into lambda minus 2 is equals to 0. So either lambda equals to 0 or lambda equals to 2. So we are having the two values of the lambda. We are having the two values of lambda, means lambda equal to 0 and lambda equals to 2. Okay. So we will have the 2 points. We will have the 2 points on this line. So points on the line are. Points on the line are. Points on the line are. If lambda equals to 0, point is 3 into 0 minus 2, 2 into 0 minus 1 and 2 into 0 plus 3. The point is minus 2 minus 1 and 3. And the next point is second point is 3 into 2 minus 2, 2 into 2 minus 1 and 2 into 2 plus 3. So this is 6 minus 2 4, 2 to the 4 minus 3, 2 to the 4 plus 3 7, 4 3 7. So this is the point, this is the point. We are having 2 points which are at the distance 5 units from the given point. Okay, so these are some of the questions from 3-dimensional geometry that will help you to achieve more marks. These questions are out of the book NCERT book. Okay.